Good morning, students. Today's topic is main parts of a computer. So kids, there are four main parts of a computer. First is your monitor, second is CPU, third is keyboard, and the last one is mouse. So first of all, I will tell you what is a monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. Kids, there are three different types of monitors. First is your CRT. Just look over here. Yes. This is your CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. CRT monitors contain a vacuum tube and are bigger in size and consume more power. The next is your LCD monitor, liquid crystal display monitor. LCD monitor has a flat type of screen. It consumes less power. And the third one is your LED monitor, light emitting diode. These monitors have better display. These are thinner and lighter in weight. LED monitors use 40% less power than LCDs and last longer. These monitors are in maximum use today. Just look over here, LED monitor. Now the next topic is CPU. CPU, you all know that it is the brain of a computer that processes all the instructions given to the computer. It solves all calculations and displays the result on the monitor. It also stores a lot of information. And now the CPU is made up of three main parts: MU, CU and ALU. MU stands for memory unit, CU stands for control unit, and ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. Now, let's see the working of memory unit. In this unit, we can store data and instructions which are to be processed and are then passed on to the ALU or CU. It is basically used for storing the data. Next is CU, control unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer, like input devices and output devices, hardware part and software part. ALU. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs logical operations like finding the greater number, smaller number, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to and not equal to numbers. Now the third part is your keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. Just look over here. This is a keyboard and there are 5 types of keys on a keyboard: typing keys, navigation keys, control keys, numeric keypad, function keys. Now the next part of a computer is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has 2 buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. When we move the mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. It also helps to draw pictures. Nowadays, the scroll mouse is more in use. That has a scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. Just look over here. This is a mouse.